What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I tried drop shipping on Shopify for 14 days from scratch without paying for ads. This is drop shipping series episode 7. I'm going to be reading my phone, my notes, and I'm leaning back because my belly is in the way. So let's just jump right into it. So I did make a quick Instagram. Y'all gotta excuse my faces. My daughter is moving in my belly and it's so uncomfortable. So I did make a quick Instagram. Nobody knew about this Instagram or this store. The customers, they didn't know who I was or anything. So like I didn't use YouTube to promote my channel. So I pretty much just, started a store in the Instagram dropshipping boutique as a nobody. I just want everybody to know that. Disclaimer, I did not use any social media to promote this except for Instagram, but it was a brand new Instagram that nobody knew about. I didn't use my other Instagrams to promote this Instagram, So the customers there, they didn't know who I was, and I started my store February 22nd. So last month. I'm going to put a screenshot on the side, by the way, for all proof. Shopify has like a 14-day free trial. The first 7 days of those 14 days, I did promote a lot. I posted like 3 to 5 times a day on Instagram. So I'll put some screenshots as well so you guys can see what the Instagram looks like. I was hiding my boutique Instagram, the dropshipping one. Now that the challenge is over, you guys can go view it. It is private, so you're not going to see much information, but I'll put screenshots on the side. Now, I didn't pay for ads or influencers. I did have girls writing me asking to be an ambassador. I'll put some proof on the side. Girls DM me like, hey, you're looking for ambassadors? So pretty much how I got girls to write me was using the right captions and hashtags and a pre-launch script. That's pretty much in my ambassador details and script. You can check out that down below in the description if you want the same script, caption, and hashtags that I did use. So I did use AliExpress. Obviously, that's a China vendor. Shipping can take about 7 to 14 days. No, 7 to 21 days. Let's be honest. AliExpress can take 7 to 21 days. If you want to use a United States vendor for your online drop shipping boutique, you can click this icon at the top. I already made a video about that. So I did use AliExpress. I used the Oberlo app on Shopify to sync AliExpress in my boutique. If you want a step-by-step video on that, I'll do that. But so yeah, with using AliExpress, shipping can be long, like the times, but I would put the shipping time frames in my ambassador details. So pretty much be honest about everything about shipping. Don't lie and say you ship within 3 to 5 business days or a week. I would say literally processing time 1 to 7 days, and then shipping could be 7 to 14 days, sometimes longer. So be honest about that. So the type of boutique I had was like a Instagram baddie type of boutique. I'll put the screenshots on the side. I was using the vendors' photos, only like the white backgrounds and the mannequins, not like the Instagram models because it's going to seem obvious, If you've been on AliExpress, you know what I'm talking about. So I would remove the vendor's logo, like if their logo was on the picture. Put a screenshot of that on the side. So pretty much to get girls to become ambassadors, I gave away free gifts. I gave away free scrunchies. I would include like the ambassador discount code in the price of the outfit, and then I would include the cost of the scrunchie in the outfit too, so I could make a profit, So if you want to know how to promote your Instagram before launching, or no, not your Instagram. If you want to know how to promote your online dropshipping boutique Instagram before launching your store, you can click this icon at the top. I already made a video about that as well. So be sure that you guys are subscribed. I'll be doing a how to price your online dropshipping boutique video soon. And it also shows that more than half of y'all are not subscribed to me. So if you are not, if you can hit that subscribe button, that'll be great. So I am on the road to 4K subscribers, by the way. So now the day that I launch. So I did make some sales. I'm going to add some screenshots, y'all. I got my first sale like around 9 a.m. I believe. You know, on Shopify, I got the little cha-ching sound. So I'll put the screenshot on the side. As you can see, my Shopify name, which matches my which matches my Instagram. I've been showing you guys in this video, the screenshots. And then like an hour later, I got another sale. My second sale came in, and this is like all the day of launching. So this is like the 8th day out of my 14-day trial of Shopify. So I got my second sale, you know, I felt like I was balling. Heard the second cha-ching. No, I'm just kidding. All right. So I don't send out the ambassador discount code neither until they purchase. Just so you guys know, that's how I do it. I use the ambassador app on Shopify. It's like an affiliate app. You can search that on Shopify in the App Store. I'll show you guys screenshots of girls signing up, because when girls sign up to be ambassador through that app, you'll get an email. Show you a screenshot of that on the side. Now I did have some troubles with the payouts. I got paid from Shopify, but they required more information. Let me read this screenshot because I took a picture of it, y'all. And okay, so it was like, your payouts from Shopify payments are on hold while we review your account. So basically, Shopify was saying that they needed more documentation to verify my Shopify payments. They needed my government ID, business documents, to resume my payouts. But I already got paid, and then this happened. So I didn't make any more sales pretty much after this. But I did send them some information, but I was like, I'm drop shipping. Like, what information do y'all need? I'm trying to do a challenge. So it was kind of annoying. This is my first time running into anything like this on Shopify. I'm not sure why. Maybe because I just made this real quick. I don't know. I have a lot of Shopify accounts. And maybe because the address I was using was like another address. I don't know. So yeah, Shopify was set tripping on me like, why y'all doing this to me? I'm just trying to make some monies. But anyway, so I'll put more screenshots of the payout email. So the first payout was like Shopify payout, regular Shopify payout. And then the second one was PayPal. So with PayPal, I did get paid instantly. So I did use that money to place the order on AliExpress. And then the other payout that was just Shopify, I had to wait 2 to 3 business days, which is fine. Some people are freaking out. I didn't want to use my own money. I want to use their money. You get it? So I waited until I got paid from Shopify, and then I went to AliExpress and placed the order. Like I said, my processing time, you got to be honest about that stuff. So I deleted the store because I didn't want to pay $30. That's why I have all these screenshots, y'all. I took all these screenshots beforehand. I didn't want to pay $30 just to show y'all all this information, pretty much. So, thank God for emails, though, by the way. So, pretty much, in total sales, I made around $56 the day that I did launch. Now, you're going to ask how much I made in profit. That's around $32, which is cool for somebody starting like a random Instagram out of nowhere and they didn't even know who I was, you know. But then I did something stupid. I paid for the domain. I didn't want it to be like unleashbaddie.myshopify.com, but I should have left it because then I just paid $14 for that. Like, I wasn't thinking. Like, it was a challenge. Like, I shouldn't have did that. So in profit, I probably had enough for like a Subway sandwich meal, you know. But that's something, okay? Some people don't even make that. Like, I made monies the day I launched a random boutique, okay? So, yeah, throughout the rest of the week, you guys, I didn't make no sales, but right before I shut down, I did have more girls writing me, asking me to be ambassadors. I didn't respond because this was like the end of my challenge. I put a screenshot. This girl wrote me like, hey, I'm interested in being the ambassador. And I'm like, okay, let me send you the details. And then she was like, no, just send me the ambassador discount code. And I was like, dang, she ready. Like, so when they ask for like an ambassador discount code, they're more than likely ready. But like I said, it's up to you if you want to accept everybody in your ambassador program or just certain people. I was pretty much accepting everybody. But if like once they buy something and they get the item, I'll post them on my Instagram. I actually need to post the other girls because the Instagram low-key shut down. But it's like open but shut down, you know? So yeah, my 14 days was up. The trial had ended, and I threw the towel in, y'all. That's how the 14-day challenge went. I know some people do the Shopify 24-hour challenge, and they usually make that. But usually on YouTube videos like this, they're doing Instagram ads, Facebook ads, influencers. I didn't do none of that. I just did ambassadors, and then I didn't have to pay nobody. They paid me, So it's a win-win situation. So I hope you guys like this video. Probably gonna have some more challenges in the future. This is just real quick to show you that you could make money online, be a nobody, start an Instagram boutique, drop shipping, use a Chinese vendor or a United States vendor. Be honest about your processing and shipping times. Like I said, I made the sales with my ambassador details script, program detail scripts. All that information will be down below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. And remember, you get in what you put in. Literally. Peace.